Hey there, welcome to the channel. We are back with another tutorial on how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. Now, Instagram doesn't have any inbuilt feature to see who unfollowed you, so you'll just have to install an app from Play Store. So yeah, go to Play Store. I use this app called Followers Insight. This is really helpful. The fourth one. Yeah, install this application on your phone, or you can either install this or any other application that you could see before. The app has been successfully installed. Open the application on your device. This is the homepage of the app. Now you'll see this blue arrow on the top right corner of the page. Tap on that arrow. Let it load. Now you want to enter your Instagram username and password here. So yeah, do that real quick. Here. Now press login. Wait for a few seconds, and yes, the app will now analyze your followers and following lists, and it will provide you a list of people who don't follow you back or who have unfollowed you. This is it for the tutorial. Hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.